Hi, this was my D-Day Battle Front. It was Airfix 1:76 scale, which I made quite a few years ago. I've decided to redo it, and a few extra pieces I will be putting on. These are just a few of the extra pieces. The signpost, there's someone in a stretcher, the fuel drums, the radio operator. I will be using some of this, the Tamiya Diorama texture paint, the soil effect. It's dark earth. You can mix some paint with it to get different colours. And also I'm going to try this on it, the Valero water texture, just to give it so it looks a bit wet. So this is what it looks like now, and I shall do some and see what the if it looks any different after. I've now made a start on it, which to me is looking slightly better than what it was. I've now done a bit more on it. I've put the fuel drums, and I've done one that's leaking. The barrier, not that it would stop anything. The sheet in there, I've put a bit of rust on. I've now completely finished it. I've put all the figures on, for as you can see, the oil drums, the signpost, the motorbike, I do like the Valero water texture. As I said before, you can mix it with paint. I've put some rust on the tracks of the tank. So please let me know if you think the before or after one